In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Porkbun domain to Lovable AI. We'll walk through exactly where to go inside the Lovable dashboard so you can start the connection flow with confidence. I'll also share a few tips along the way to help everything go smoothly. First, open your browser and head to the Lovable AI dashboard. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're in the right workspace or account if you use more than one. This helps avoid attaching a domain to the wrong project later. Next, click on All Projects. This brings up every app or site you've created with Lovable. If you manage multiple projects, it's helpful to have your domain name in mind so you can match it to the correct project at a glance. Now, click on your project. You'll land on the project's overview. Before moving on, give the project name and environment a quick check. It's a small step that prevents confusion, especially if you run separate staging and production projects. From here, go to Settings. You'll find it by clicking the icon in the upper right and selecting Settings. This area is where you control important configuration details for your project, and it's the safest place to attach a custom domain since changes here apply specifically to the project you selected. Inside Settings, open the Domain section. This tab is dedicated to custom domains and routing. It's designed to keep everything related to your URLs in one place, so you can review what's already connected and manage future changes without digging through other menus. Finally, click Connect Domain. This starts Lovable's guided connection flow. Have your Porkbun domain name handy so you can enter it exactly as you want it to appear, with or without the www prefix. Lovable will walk you through the remaining steps on screen and provide the details you need to finish the setup. If you've previously pointed your domain somewhere else, double-check for any old or conflicting DNS entries before confirming changes to avoid misrouting. Once the connection is initiated, remember that DNS updates can take some time to propagate across the internet. That's normal. Just keep the Lovable window open and check the status indicator until it verifies the connection. To recap, you'll start at the Lovable dashboard, go to All Projects, open your project, head into Settings, choose the Domain section, and click Connect Domain to begin linking your Porkbun domain. Follow the prompts there and give propagation a little time. When verification completes, your project will be live on your custom domain. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.